provides you with all-around cleaning in the car and at home. It is a reliable cleaning assistant, providing you with a clean and comfortable environment for efficient cleaning. Simpler cleaning starts with CHARAGE. The handheld vacuum cleaner comes with a powerful 100W motor, giving the vacuum an incredible strength. Easily removes pet hair, dust, crumbs, spilled food, and scattered cat litter from any surface, including stairs, carpet, table, sofas, and other hard-to-reach areas. Also, this vacuum cleaner is a great choice for cleaning a laptop. If you are messy, then it's created for you to keep the table clean after the breakfast chaos. Due to its efficient design, the handheld vacuum operates at a low noise of less than 70 decibels, which is quieter than most competitors, and no need to worry about disturbing your kids or terrifying your pets. Adjustable to suction modes give you ability to meet different cleaning requirements, and it's ultra lightweight, only 2.2 pounds, which can be held in hand and used with easy. The washable filter has a longer life than the non-woven filter. The charging time is about 3-4 hours and the working time is 18-37 minutes. Adjustable handle lengths. Need to press the buttons on both sides and at the same time to adjust the size. SCIJOY. Sweep away all your trouble.
Today I'm gonna give a review on this wireless handheld vacuum. I'm gonna open it. So after I open it, we can see there is a dust bag and then also the handheld vacuum. We can see there are different kind of brushes and then one actual filter, another brush, and this is for the charger. And all the menus. This might be a gift topic. And it's pretty easy to use. You just install this tool here. And then I think in here we can press the button to give different lengths of the holder. Let's do it. Yeah, so mostly I'm gonna use this vacuum to clean the hair on the floor in our bathroom. So there are two modes of this vacuum. So one is slower. And then if you press the button again, you can see the stronger mode. And then you can do the hair. Yeah, it works great.
in the bottom.